I was a young student at KMV Jalandhar, and Chairman sir was the president of our college's managing committee. And being the head girl of the college, I was privileged to have the opportunity to welcome him on various occasions. I think I've grown up with APJ. It's a great feeling to acknowledge and accept that setting up of ASFA, that is APJ School Faridabad alumni, is one such achievement of our school. Mr. Suyash Gupta came to the school to admit his child in the pre-primary department.
He walked in and he told me that he is alumnus of this institution, and
the passion that with which he was talking about the school, he was becoming so nostalgic.
And it was his mannerism, the way he was looking around.
जब मैं 20 साल बाद बच्चों के एडमिशन के लिए स्कूल वापस गया, पूरी मेरी स्कूल लाइफ एक फिल्म की तरह सामने आ गई. And those 14 years which I spent, I can distinctly remember every moment of it. And at that moment, I realized, I felt कि we must do something, कुछ करना है स्कूल से जुड़े रहने के लिए.
Later on, I found out that this is the place where his principal, Mr. Juneja, used to sit, and this is the place where he used to come as one of the, the top scorers of his class.
I came back, talked to my close friends, and talked about how I felt.
Suyash came up with an idea. He said कि यार अच्छे से अच्छा स्कूल, इंस्टीट्यूट सबका एक एलुमनाई होता है, हमारे स्कूल का नहीं है. तो he said why not form an alumni या एक group.
Suyash came with this idea that let's do something.
हम कुछ close friends से मिले, उनसे बात की, idea discuss किया, and everybody said we should go ahead with it.
कुछ ऐसे सोसाइटियाँ मीट हो जहाँ सारे लोग मिले, इंटरेक्ट करें, पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करें, गप्पे मारें जो करते थे. तो we 4-5 years sat and discussed the idea. And बैठे ऐसे ही मन बना के चलो शुरू करते.
Amit Vohra, Amit Puri, these three, took the onus on their shoulders.
फिर फोन किया, बैठे 4-5 लोग और जुड़े.
स्कूल अथॉरिटी से, स्कूल के ऑफिशियल से परमिशन ली, हेड ऑफिस से परमिशन ली, एक क्लोज ग्रुप के फ्रेंड्स का हमने एक ट्रस्ट बनाया और वहाँ से ASFA स्टार्ट हुआ. दैट वाज ईयर 2008.
The first step to start ASFA was to get people together, and to get people together, we had to organize a good, grand, all-batch reunion.
और reunion के आइडिया को दिमाग में रख के we started preparing for it. It took almost 6 months.
सारे फ्रेंड्स, सब लोगों ने बस फ़ोन्स उठाकर, they were on the phones for literally days.
हमने स्कूल जाके पुराने टीचर्स जो कि रिटायर हो चुके हैं उनके एड्रेसेस, फ़ोन नंबर्स लिए, स्टूडेंट्स के कॉन्टैक्ट्स लिए.
ASFA's first reunion was in 2008, in December 2008. About 600 alumni assembled in the school. They had made a small movie.
एलुमनाई बनाने से जो एक स्कूल से एक अटैचमेंट की जो फीलिंग थी, वो सबसे ज़्यादा जो ग्रो हुई है वो वीडियो क्लिप से हुई है. बिकॉज द मैटर, द थिंग्स दैट वी कलेक्टेड फॉर दैट क्लिप, फॉर दैट 5-minute क्लिप, उससे वी वेंट बैक टू स्कूल.
And when each house's T-shirt was displayed on the screen and the name of the house, there were cheers, there were screams, there were thrills.
It was a kind of an alumni meet which I think became a treasure in the minds of many. We had people rescheduling programs and coming all the way from Australia.
All those fireworks, people flying in from all over the globe to be a part of this magnificent evening. It was in fact their participation that made it magnificent.
Strange feeling and a sense of belongingness, which was, something which was really awesome.
That stage, everyone going up on that stage batch-wise. For some batches they are just 2 people, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, the whole stage is full. and they are yelling. It was as if the time had stopped and they reached back in their school days. They were behaving as if they are still students.
I saw people crying, literally crying, meeting friends after so many years.
And every time a person introduced himself or herself, they didn't forget to mention the house they were in.
1980s से लेकर और बैचेस, recent बैचेस जो 2004-2005 में people who had passed out, I could really see the tears in their eyes. एक बार स्कूल आके एंड द फीलिंग कि अपनी क्लास में जाना है, वहाँ जाके बैठना है, इवन फॉर 5 minutes दे enjoyed it so much. वो एक फीलिंग सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट जो कि अपने स्कूल 10 साल 20 साल बाद आ रहा है, he can only understand what it means and what it feels like.
And then came the time to take ASFA to the next level, to do something bigger, interactive and intimate. ASFA Premier League Cricket.
T10 cricket tournament. We started off with 8 teams. इनिशियली हमने एक बहुत नॉर्मल सा टूर्नामेंट प्लान करके चले थे.
But still we are having a lot of fun, and like it's December and every time it's like there's fog, there's it's around 5 degrees, we play in the night. So IPL can learn from us as well, that some tips we can give to them as well.
ASFA and APL is the best moment of my life. What we do in these 4 days is nothing else. We just play, meet friends and have loads and loads of fun.
अगली बार स्कूल टाइम में मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने कभी स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया हो स्कूल टाइम में, तो क्योंकि लेदर बॉल से बहुत डर लगता था. तो अब टेनिस बॉल से खेलते हैं तो खेलते हैं, मज़े ही खेलते हैं. और कैच छूट गई तो छूट गई, लेकिन प्रेशर भी आता है यार. जूनियर्स की टीम में खेल रहे हो, 10 साल वाला कहता है भैया ने कैच छोड़ दी, मतलब बॉल आती है हमारी तरह, तो जूनियर टीम में होता है ना, उनका धक धक बढ़ जाती है, भैया पकड़ लेंगे नहीं पकड़ेंगे. बच्चे भी होते हैं, लाइक माई किड वाज देयर, पापा अच्छी बैटिंग करके आना, ये करना. सेम इज देयर कि पापा खेल रहे हैं, वो स्कूल छोड़ के अपना आते हैं देखने के, नहीं पापा खेल रहे हैं मुझे जाना है देखने, तो प्रेशर वो बिल्ट हो जाता है. आई हैव टू परफॉर्म नाउ.
And then one year, Madam herself was part of this cricket event. She inaugurated the sports meet.
The opening of the ASFA meet, it was a cricket match, and I still remember Madam Berlier in the pitch, all ready to bowl, and our principal ma'am, Mrs. Samra, there ready to bat, and the children surrounding them, all cheering. It was an event by itself.
फ्रेंड्स जो इनिशियली बहुत एक छोटा सा कोर ग्रुप था, वो कोर ग्रुप बड़ा होता गया, आइडियाज़ आते गए, और स्लोली हमने उसको एक स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन के उस पे लेके आए. यूनिफॉर्म्स हमने स्टैंडर्ड की, लोगोज हमने स्टैंडर्ड किए.
For ASFA, they plan in such a way that they devote their time, their energy, their resources.
1970s के पास आउट से लेकर और लेटेस्ट जो बैचेस होते हैं उसके उसमें स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं. देयर आर टीम्स वेयर फादर एंड सन दे आर प्लेइंग टुगेदर. पिच पे खाना सर्व हो रहा है, पिच पे कोई आउट हो गया है तो पनीर टिक्के आ रहे हैं.
What we do in these 4 days is nothing else but just play, have friends all over, meet people from different parts of the world.
फैमिलीज आती हैं, बच्चे होते हैं साथ में, बैट उठ रहा नहीं है, हाथों की ऐसी हालत हो जाती है 3 दिन खेलने के बाद कि लास्ट दिन अगर मैच होता है तो हम किसी और को बोलते हैं यार मेरी जगह तू चला जा.
We don't use our Facebook, we don't message on WhatsApp, we do nothing else, we just have fun.
फोटोग्राफर को बिल्कुल क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दी जाती हैं. बॉल चाहे रोके चाहे ना रोके, बॉल में डाइव की ज़रूरत हो चाहे ना हो, हम डाइव करेंगे. फोटोग्राफ बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए. आई एम मैरिड, आई हैव किड्स. जो हमारे साथ फ्रेंड्स पढ़ती थी स्कूल में, दे आर ऑल्सो मैरिड, दे हैव किड्स. तो जो बात हम उस टाइम नहीं कह पाए उनसे, वो अब आई थिंक वी कैन से दैट एंड दे वोंट फील बैड. तब तो हिम्मत नहीं होती थी बोलने की कि पता नहीं क्या रिएक्शन होगा.
What is unique about this ASFA is that they want to add value to the entire thing, making it significant, purposeful and effective to be of use to society. They are so eager to give back to society what they have got from the school, and I think that is the purpose of education.
Through this platform we have done initiatives like sponsoring a child's education for the school only, blood donation camps we have done, even done some counseling sessions for the students. Somebody is somewhere at a very high post, so that career guidance kind of things we have tried in past, and we are planning to add more initiatives which are helping them in their careers, because it's a networking thing.
What happens next? I think getting this association, getting this alumni bigger and bigger in the coming years.
$2,800 students attached to an organization, you can do wonders.
APJ has been around for so many years, more than 40 years, and imagine if all the APJites connect, if it's networking of that sort. And in 2011, Madam Burlia acknowledged and appreciated this idea, and she said, and all the APJs should meet under one flagship of APJ Education Society.
ASFA is into its 7th year now, and with more than 3,000 people connected with us directly, we incredibly feel that time has come to make it pan-India.
They have plans to take this mission with great fervor, with great energy, and with value added to whatever work they do.
We miss the school so much.